Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop project called Mawari Network. Mawari is a decentralized platform that streams high quality 3D and XR content with low latency, like a Netflix for virtual reality. If you want to know more details, you can visit their website. As you can see, they've raised $70.3 million in funding and are marked as a potential airdrop. If you look at their investors, you can see lots of tier 2, 3 and 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X handle, you can see they currently have 114k followers and they are active here with lots of updates about their project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you will find all the airdrops I'm personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. To participate in the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram link in the description. Simply click or copy the link and paste it into your browser and you will land on this page. First, click on the sign in button. Choose MetaMask wallet, then click connect and then confirm to connect the wallet. As you can see, the wallet is connected successfully. Then click next, and as you can see, I've got 10 XR points. Now click let's go and you'll see some tasks here. Click on follow their X account, then go back and click verify and it's done. Next, you need to connect your Discord, then click authorize. Click on join, then accept invite. Select your language and click finish. Now click on verify, solve the answer and it's verified. Go back, click verify and it's done. Next, join their Telegram channel, then go back and verify and it's done. Now to claim your XR chip, click let's go, sign in to verify, enter your email, then submit and it's done. Now verify and all basic tasks are complete. Here click on the referral section and you'll find your referral link. You can share the link with friends to boost your points. Finally, you need to complete some Galxe tasks to earn points. I'll provide the link in the description. And here you'll find lots of tasks such as liking, retweeting, etc. which are very easy to complete. After completing all these tasks, you will get 1000 points. So make sure to complete them all. That's it for this video. I'll share updates over time. So make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.